If you want to learn how to add a YouTube node in N8N and use it to get a playlist, this quick tutorial will show you exactly what to do. This is a simple workflow step, but it can save you time when you're building automations that need to pull playlist data from YouTube. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more N8N tutorials and automation tips. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your N8N workflow editor. On the left side, you'll see the nodes panel. This is where you can search for and add the app or service you want to use in your automation. In the search bar, type YouTube. Once the YouTube node appears, click on it to add it to your workflow. After the node is added, you'll need to choose the operation you want to use. Open the operation settings and select Get a Playlist. This tells N8N that you want to retrieve playlist information from YouTube instead of working with videos, comments, or other data. Now it's time to configure the node by giving it the required details. Enter the playlist information that N8N needs so it can correctly identify and fetch the playlist. Depending on your workflow setup, this may include authentication, playlist identifiers, or other connection details. Make sure every required field is filled in properly so the node can run without errors. Once your details are added, save the node and test it to confirm that the playlist data is coming through correctly. If everything is configured right, N8N will be able to pull the playlist information for your automation, and that's it. You've added a YouTube node in N8N, selected Get a Playlist, and configured it with the needed details. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more N8N tutorials on the channel.